Yo people, back with another trade. Obviously Gbpusd, backtesting again. Going short this time. I keep realizing I'm saying the wrong thing every time. Like I keep saying, oh, I'm going long, I'm actually going short. It shows how much I know. So previous day we had a huge bearish candle. So I got all these lows closed through previous day and then this low here. Didn't close to these, but I'm thinking we should still be bearish until we take out the previous day high if we're going to look to retrace at some point. 4 hour, there's not actually a lot. I would like to see more in the 4 hour. However, I do think we're going to take out this previous day low before we go and retrace into these highs here. So on this exception, I think we're okay. But there is a chance we might draw into that, and that might be what stops us out if we do lose. Hourly, we had this kind of period of consolidation, broke down, came back up, filled this hourly gap, and then on the 15-minute, well, we scaled down to 50-minute after that. 15-minute obviously filled this gap here, having broke down, and then so I scaled down to 5-minute, where again with another period of consolidation, broke down, filled the 5-minute, and we scaled down to the 1-minute for some really kind of low time frame analysis, which is probably a little bit unnecessary, but this kind of took out these equal highs, broke down, filled this fair value gap, and then we broke down again. I'm looking to kind of enter off with one of these being filled. Just suspect they will. I'm going to put my stuff above this 5-minute high here. Not a big trade, but that's the analysis behind it. As I said, I'm a little bit wary of that 4 hour that we might be just drawing into overall, but otherwise I think our entry is okay. So I'll get us into this, see how we get on. Yeah. Let's see. Could have done with us holding that, but I mean, let's see. 5-minute, we filled that gap, created a gap, filled it, that's nice. Can we continue to break down? Chopping about a bit. Hard to tell what's going on really. It does look like we are kind of moving in the right direction. We've got a 3-minute gap filled here, and that we held that. We're kind of trending down still. Another 3-minute gap filled there. Just in here. Oh, I hate that when it brings up. If we can get a close through here on the 5-minute, I'll move to break even. We might hit full take profit before. No, but I can move to break even now. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see. Break even? Yeah, okay. Was that the correct decision to make? It was in this case. That's really annoying. I mean, obviously barely touching take profit, but gotta stay disciplined and we don't pull out the trades because that would be trading on emotion. So how would it have played out? Let's see. Okay. I thought we are pulling into that 4 hour. So my high time frame analysis was incorrect, however I did get quite fortunate. We were very lucky there though, that we moved to break even and we caught literally the move down to the low of looks like it's going to be the day. So yeah, I mean, not a great trade in that respect, and high time frame analysis was clearly not brilliant, but happy to have got away with just a break-even trade there. If there's anything that I missed there, please let me know. Please let me know, because always looking to improve, but I mean, yeah, really quite fortunate there. Obviously, break-even, good trade management, and and a little bit unlucky to have not actually hit our full take profit, but it is what it is, one of them. And showed good discipline by not kind of pulling out the trade early. So yeah, again, anything that you see that I've missed that I could improve on, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.